Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhijith. I completed my BE in Triple E stream at Canara Engineering College, Mangalore, in the year 2020. About JSPIDERS, it is a best organization to learn and develop your technical skills. Teaching quality is excellent here. Presentation and grooming classes helped me to crack the interview without any fear. Throughout this process, they gave support and motivation to succeed. About faculties and HR, all trainers here will teach you from scratch so that non-IT students can also crack the interviews very easily and quickly. I want to thank Mr. Keshav sir who taught us Java from scratch, and also I would like to thank Uday sir, Bhuvan sir, Sayed sir, Sharik sir and HR team for their constant support.